Hi folks, Big Rudy and Oneofthepack is up here in Baton Rouge. We're up here by the Wildlife and Fisheries for our fishing school on the secrets of fishing. Session 101. So this is where we're at, the Waddill Wildlife Refuge. It's at 1 o'clock, we're about 20 minutes early. Got a couple of them already fishing out there. Nice little pond. Alright folks, on this pond over here we got a water clarity of 7. And that pond over there I got a water clarity of -1. And one further over is -1. But they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people fishing this area. I like this pond over here better. Watercolor. Alright folks, this is why we're up here. Fishing Secrets 101. We moved into the pavilion, which is air conditioned. This is nice, folks. Look at that redfish on the wall over there. Whoa, got D on the wall. Got a pretty good group of people here so far. 2 air conditioners. Wow. I say this got to be 2 8 tons each.